Hi, this is Andrew Wellborn with Turquoise Playa Real Estate here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Coming to you from Saas Kib, which is a condominium located inside El Cielo residential community. I'm going to take you on an amazing virtual tour of a penthouse, which is in 2 levels, that has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and is over 3,000 square feet in total area. This penthouse also has its own private solarium with a jacuzzi. Amazing panoramic views of the jungle surrounding. So Saas Kib itself has some really nice common areas. The pool has like a swimming lane for people that like to do laps. There's a small fitness center and a lounge area for barbecue and just relaxing. And also has gated entry. So overall, it's about a 10-minute walk to the beach from this community, and you're roughly about a 10-minute drive to get to downtown Playa del Carmen. So take a look at the video, let me know your comments and questions, and we'll see you soon in Playa del Carmen. Okay.
Ready.